Hello everyone, my name is Vagi Adhikari and this is my blog. This is about me page where it has some details about me. I'm a senior at Ohio State, majoring in Industrial and Systems Engineering. I was born in Nepal, moved to US in 2012. I'm fluent in 3 languages. After graduation, I want to work for a few years for the company and then go back to school again to get my MBA. My hobbies include traveling, meeting new people, and learning about their cultures. This is my next page, which talks a little bit more about industrial engineers and what they do. I found one of this video online which talks in details about industrial engineering. I want you guys to see this.
Industrial engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on making processes better. It's a lot of optimization and making those processes more efficient. So let's just go into applications and see what this even means. And let's start simple. Let's say when you wake up in the morning, your routine is you go from your room to the bathroom to shower, then back to your room to change into clothes, then downstairs to eat, then out the door to work or school or whatever. An industrial engineer would look at that process and say, what if instead you went from your room and took your clothes with you to the bathroom, showered, then changed in there instead of going back to your room, then you went downstairs to eat and leave for school or work. You just eliminated the need to go back to your room after the shower and therefore improved the process and made it more efficient. In this case, you improved time and distance you have to travel. This example is simple but clearly not a career path, so now let's see something more applicable. How can we make going through a line more efficient? At a bank, for example, everyone waits in one line normally. Then you go to whichever teller is available once you're at the front. This is nice because if one customer is taking a while, the people in line will still get to choose from the other tellers as they open, which keeps the line moving. So is this the most efficient? What if they set it up like a grocery store instead? At a grocery store, there are maybe 5 cashiers open, and people choose one line to wait in. Could you imagine something like Costco with one line that then goes to multiple cashiers at the front like a bank? Due to the amount of customers, the line would look insanely long and would probably cause a lot of people not to shop there. Therefore not efficient because it's not good for business. So grocery stores and similar places probably have the right idea.
I think by now you guys have more information about what exactly industrial engineers do. This page has even more details about professional societies and clubs within Ohio State and outside Ohio State, some research, some news articles, and so on. This is my home page where it has 3 takeaways from this course. The topic I think is helpful: time management strategy, and then how to improve leadership skills. Going back to the first topic, 3 takeaways from this course. Well, there are many, but I think learning about different tools was extremely helpful. For example, Trello, which definitely helped me, saves a lot of time. Also, online collaboration techniques definitely teaches me how to manage people in online setting. Strategies to manage time effectively would be getting organized and know exactly what you want to do. Making a to-do list, it's also helpful. Is one of the important skills that we all need. And to improve that, we need to be positive and learn about failures, set goals and take actions, and always be a lifelong learner. This is all about my page, and I hope you guys will like it. Thank you.